Now let me start a third lecture on homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Rule 3. When the right hand side of partial differential equation is x to the power m, y to the power n, and the particular integral will be equal to x to the power m, y to the power n upon function of d and d dash, now is equal to f d d dash inverse x to the power m, y to the power n. First, if the power of x is greater than the power of y, then 1 upon f dd dash is expanded in the power of d dash upon d. Secondly, if the power of x is less than power of y, then 1 upon f dd dash is expanded in the power of d dash upon d. Now we take example. Del q z over del xq minus del q z over del yq equal to xq into yq. Now we convert the given partial differential equation in the form of d and d dash by using del over del x as d and del over del y as d dash. We get dq minus d dash q z equal to xq into yq. And its auxiliary equation is mq minus 1 equal to 0 by putting d equal to m and d dash equal to 1 and find out its root. Mq equal to 1, which will be equal to omega q, and its roots are 1 omega square. Its complementary function will be equal to f1 y plus 1x plus f2 y plus omega x plus f3 y plus omega square x. Now we find out the particular integral xq yq upon dq minus d dash q. Here we see that the power of x and y are same, so we can expand f dd dash inverse in d dash over d or d over d dash. No problem at all. Now we take dq as a common, 1 minus d dash over d whole cube. We take in upside and we can differentiate xq yq with respect to y partially only 3 times. So we expand 1 minus d dash upon d whole cube to the power minus 1 only one time. Now this expanded form is 1 upon dq xq plus yq plus d dash over dq xq yq. Now we multiply 1 upon dq and inside the bracket we get 1 upon dq xq yq plus 1 upon d6 d dash q xq yq. Now we find out the 3 times differentiation of y q partially with respect to y. We get 6xq. Now 1 upon dq xq yq plus 1 upon d6 6xq equal to, we take the integration 3 times in first term and 6 times in second term with respect to x partially. We get the particular integral is equal to x to the power 6 yq upon 120 plus 6x to the power 9 upon 10080. Hence the total solution is CF plus PI. Now we find out the particular integral when the right hand side is not formed in previous cases. So the particular integral is equal to 1 upon d minus md dash f xy. In this type we put in function phi x same as and y as c minus mx and take integration. We take an example. Del square z over del x square plus del square z over del x del y minus 6 del square z over del y square equal to y cos x, and convert in d and d dash form. by using del over del x as d and del over del y as d dash, and find out the auxiliary equation by putting in d and d dash form, d as a m and d dash as a 1. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus m minus 6, and find out its roots, that is minus 3, 2, and its complementary function will be equal to f1 y plus 2x plus f2 y minus 3x. Now we find out the particular integral y cos x upon d square plus dt dash minus 6 d dash square is equal to y cos x upon d minus 2d dash d plus 3d dash. Now using y cos x upon d plus 3d dash, using last formula 1 upon d minus 2d dash integration of, we put in place of y c plus 3x and in place of x as a x. So the integration of c plus 3x cos x is equal to c plus 3x sin x plus 3 cos x by integration by part. Now we convert c plus 3x as a y, we get y sin x plus 3 cos x, and again use the last formula, integration c minus 2x sin x plus 3 cos x dx, by putting y equal to c minus 2x and integrate it. On integration we get c minus 2x minus cos x minus 2 sin x plus 3 sin x by integration by part, and put c minus 2x as y, we get minus y cos x plus sin x, and the total solution is complementary function plus particular integral, which will be equal to f1 y plus 2x plus f2 y minus 3x minus y cos x plus sin x. Thank you.